The AC doesn't seem to be cooling.
Aircon suddenly won't turn on? Let's find out why.
Alright, time to find out.
1. Power supply issues. Due to a tripped circuit breaker, blown fuse, or a power outage. The unit may not have received power properly or had an outage. 2. Thermostat issues. Dead batteries or incorrect settings. A faulty or incorrectly set thermostat can prevent the AC from turning on. Dead thermostat batteries could also be the culprit. 3. Dirty filters. Can overheat unit then shuts off. Extremely dirty filters can restrict airflow, causing the system to overheat and shut down as a safety precaution. 4. Blown capacitor. Prevents the motor from starting. The capacitor is responsible for starting the AC. If it's blown, the unit won't start. Book with us now to prevent these issues and ensure your AC runs smoothly.